Nice and easy. Right there. Oh yeah. Bang! Hi everyone. Today we've got the this is part 2. Bigger balsam. Got a few axes today. We got the Lynchinator, the axe that Aaron A. Lynch built for me quite a while ago, a couple years I think now. And we've got the old timer, double bit that old timer sent us. Whoo, old classic. And we've got the Plum Rockaway that Johnny Arnett sent, and it's on a dandy Tom Joyner handle. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it. We got the handle scuffed up a little bit on that one, but I still need to put a wrap on it, I suppose. I don't know if I'm going to need these up on a chopping block because they're a little bit longer today for Bill. But we'll give it a go. We'll see if what we got works. Backed up against the stump. Oh yeah, busted, broke, right? Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. See, like this longer wood, it's a little bit tougher. Let's get this out of the way. Remember our deer food stump for next time we come up. Let's see if we can pick this one up. Oh yeah. Dandy. Hear that popping? It's trying to come apart. We got knots in this one. Oh yeah. Boy, that's a nice axe. That is a dandy. Hear it? Hear that popping? Nice high-wristed flick there, huh? let's get that stacked up in there and see what it looks like. All right. Let's give the old timer double bit. Let's see. Let's look at it. Okay. So it seems to me that the side that is a little bit better for splitting is this with old timer to the left. I bet this thing would be a great chopper though. Boy, it sure works nice when you get it busted in half. Right? Works real nice. Look at that nice clean wood. Oh yeah. Just right. Just right. Tucks in there quite nicely. It's all kind of tough up there, up higher like that. There we go. We're going to need those. Okay. Let's try one of these on the ground. The old timer. It's got a nice swing to it. Really nice swing to it. Old timer double. Right? This one for splitting. This one's going to be for a bit drier wood. This wood's dry. See, like that? Now we're getting to the bigger season crack. It's halfway through, right? But once we get them busted in half, nice flick, real nice flick. Great, great for the halfers. It flicks nice, real nice. That's a dandy double bit old timer. Thank you, buddy. Check that out, old school, old timer. I love you, brother. Well, we're loaded. The old Yoder loaded. All right. Thanks everybody for watching and hanging out. Got a good sweat on this morning. Got the heart pumping. Got fresh air. Mosquitoes didn't destroy me. I don't even think, I shouldn't say anything, but I don't even think a mosquito, I don't even think I got bit by a mosquito. The bees are starting to buzz around a little bit. We got some rain up here last night, so it's not dusty, it's not ultra dry. Sure are nice axes. Thank you guys. Thanks everybody. Everybody that has contributed to this, to TazMan's axe collection. It's an amazing collection from a whole bunch of amazing people. Everyone's support here is phenomenal. You all know, and I say it all the time, but it's true. And I want you guys to I want everybody here to know that. To know that everything you do, if you're still watching this video, you're helping. You're helping the Tasmaniacs on the journey. On the journey. And if you don't know, if you're a new subscriber here and you're watching this, we're fundraising. And what we're fundraising for, we're not fundraising for pickup parts or for vacations or whatever. We're fundraising. Our fundraiser, the super chat stuff goes to gas, bar oil, chains, files, things like that, things to keep the axes, things to keep the channel moving along and growing, so to speak, I suppose, right? But the fundraiser stuff goes towards our get-together that we call TazPalooza. It'll be TazPalooza 2024. It'll be the second one that we did. If you not sure if you're interested or whatever, go back and just hashtag TazPalooza and see the videos and go back to my channel and go to my playlist, and you should be able to find the TazPalooza playlist. A bunch of other people from the channel that came have put out videos and stuff. So go check it out, see if it might be something that you're interested in. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there for the new subscribers that don't know, you know, and think that I'm just out here, whatever, fundraising for whatever reason. Well, I'm not. I'm fundraising for TazPalooza. The fundraising and super chats are different. Some of the super chats end up being part of the fundraiser at times, and that's fine. It's all sorted out, and it's fine, and it goes towards TazPalooza. We're gearing up. We didn't gear up early last year. We didn't really know. It was just kind of flying by the seat of our pants, I guess you could say. And we got it together, and we got it done. And we had a blast. And this year, there'll be a little bit more organization. And for the people that have been here, that did come to Tazapalooza, a couple of the things that we're working on now is we're trying to find out about a shower trailer and a bigger canopy. We're looking into those. We're shopping around for that kind of stuff. So that's what we're gearing up to try to buy and try to purchase and try to get nailed down for next year Tazapalooza. Okay, so there's a little update for Tazapalooza 2024 and about the channel for the new subscribers. I appreciate everybody that comes here. I'm going to get on the road. I love you all. Take care and be safe. Tasman is rolling. Rolling with the Rockaway. Oh yeah, Johnny Arnett. Sure smells good out here. Can't wait till you smell this white fur pitch. Stay tuned. Your saw and for the next video.